Meredith and myself like the brown Swiss, and Matthew and Jerry
The
like
frying of samosas. Can you give us a little?
and Joseph likes the winebacks.
Okay, this is my first time frying anything, and my first time making samosas.
Really good pop art.
Yeah, that's right. That's right.
I hope they won't burn
Woody Jackson likes them,
nor
right?
be greasy. Uh-oh. See, this one isn't.
My friend Barbara will attest to that.
Well,
She wrote the cutest thing in my guest book that she said.
I love brown Swiss.
They're falling apart.
I spent some time in the mountains in Switzerland herding and cheese
When she
making.
got there,
Okay, everything I've read, you're not supposed to overcrowd. So maybe I'll
We were
put
just below the brown Swiss border. It's really funny. There's like
6 or so.
just this line, and all the places north of there had brown Swiss.
Uh-oh,
and along
that one's
south of
open.
there we had Siementhalers, milk and Siementhalers.
No, what did I look like?
Let's see what the temperature is.
Huge.
Oh, that takes too much time. Because you have to use your eyes, use your own brains.
Very individual.
I guess I'll turn it
Kind of
over.
like a Normandy, maybe?
How do they look?
And then I waited on her for 2 days.
Nice.
Does it look like the oil's too hot? Or about right?
No, I think it's good.
Okay, I might turn it down to medium. We have frozen ones as well, and that will...
Take a little bit longer.
Yeah. What's that?
If the oil's not really hot, then
we
they
have the
absorb the oil.
And then I
Okay.
came here, and then my first job here was at Organic Cow.
Yes.
And he had jerseys. Yeah.
So pretty.
So I just turned it back up since Sam scared me about having greasy samosas.
You can't be afraid of the grease when you're deep fried.
Well, these look done, right?
Yeah, great.
They're brown. Okay, put them on the rack. Sure is fast. Fast cooking.
Ready for good eats.
Beautiful. He's in touch with his feminine